In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet attendance tracking. Whether you're an educator wanting to keep track of student attendance or a team leader managing your remote team's participation, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step, making it simple and efficient. To get started, let's head over to the Google Web Store. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the store by typing in the URL or searching Google Web Store in your search engine of choice. Once there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you'll type in Meet Attendance Tracker. This tool is essential for automatically recording attendance in your Google Meet sessions, saving you the hassle of manual tracking. After entering the name, hit enter and browse through the search results until you find the extension aptly named Meet Attendance Tracker. Don't worry if you see a few different options, focus on the one that has good reviews and ratings, as this is a good indicator of reliability and performance. Next, click on Add to Chrome. This button is usually highlighted in blue on the right side of the extension's name. Selecting this will prompt a pop-up window asking for confirmation to add the extension. Click on Add Extension to proceed. This process installs the Meet Attendance Tracker directly into your Chrome browser, making it readily available whenever you need it for your meetings. Now, with the tracker installed, it's time to put it to use. Navigate to Google Meet, accessible through your Google account dashboard, or by simply typing in Google Meet in your browser's search bar. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, it's time to start a meeting. You can begin a session by clicking on New Meeting or Start a Meeting, whichever option is available. During your Google Meet session, feel free to conduct your class or meeting as usual. The Meet Attendance Tracker will quietly operate in the background, doing its job flawlessly without requiring immediate attention. Once your meeting ends, you can access the attendance data by clicking on the attendance tracker icon located near your browser's address bar. It typically appears as an icon that you added earlier with the extension, making it easy to find. After the meeting, click on the tracker to review the attendance details. You'll find a list of participants who were present during your meeting. The best part? The attendance information can often be downloaded directly onto your computer as a CSV file, allowing you to save it for future reference or reporting purposes. That's all it takes to efficiently track attendance in Google Meet. Utilizing this simple yet powerful tool can make a big difference in how you manage virtual meetings. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and happy meeting!